How to buy pure to cut token. So this token came under the PURR. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token is created 12 hours ago and it's increased by 250 to 240% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%, as good as many investment in a safe place. This token is trending number 7 right now under the and the 6th right now in the Solana network on the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, the token address is under the Solana network. Open your fund for that. Now click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see, as you can see, how much you will receive for that token. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. Now click on swap and you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page and squeeze the slip hash from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip hash, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy pure or PURR token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.